Hey guys, we received these Joywell natural pinch pleated linen curtains for test and try. So they are 84 inches long, two panels for living room, bedroom or anywhere you want to use. Comes in this nice pack. Let me just open this up. So this comes with the hooks as well. So you can use it with a different setting, like with the hook, with the loops that's inside and the clips. So here you can see this is really a nice fabric with the pleated the loops on the back. So you can use the loop or you can also use this plastic hook. With the quality, this looks really nice and then smooth. So they are the thick linen curtains that is from the flex linen and polyester fabric. And then as I mentioned, you can use four options for decor. Means you can use the pinch plated back tab, pinch plated with the hooks and track system. So these are the track system thing that you can use. So here after the installation I use the loop thing in the back, and it's a semi transparent, means it the light filtering, and you can like you cannot see anything inside but you can still see some light. So it's a nice design and gives a really nice look. So they are bright, warm, and you can see like the light outside, so you cannot see anything but still you can feel some light. So comes in the different sizes that you can choose and show a really nice design on the curtain as well. Stitching and everything looks good, premium. So they are nice durable curtains, easily washed in machine, and many other options to choose from. So these are the plated system that looks good as well, and then from the back this looks really nice. So overall they are the nice curtain and really durable. I really recommend them if you want to use in your house. So different colors are available that you can check.